Hi everyone, I am Felicia Fox. Welcome to my channel. Today is day 2 of the carnivore diet. I'm going to do 90 days of the carnivore diet and 90 days vegan diet, and we're going to just see how each lifestyle affects my body. So day 2, carnivore diet. I had a really good sleep last night. Normally I suffer from insomnia, but last night I slept like a log, but I'm still feeling tired, so I'm just resting all day. The rest of the week's going to be really busy, so I prepared myself some really good food. What I did was I had a pound of ground pork and a pound of ground beef with 2 eggs, and I mixed that all together. And then I used my my half a cup scoop and turned them into meatballs. So they were about 90 grams each. And then I wrapped each meatball with a slice of bacon cut in half, so it's like a crisscross. I got about 11 balls out of that, and then I broiled them for about 10 to 12 minutes per side. And then, I had that for lunch, and then the leftovers are gonna be for when I'm running around the city. I'll just take a little container and they're good for a snack. For my breakfast today, I had some bacon and eggs, just 2 hard-boiled eggs and some bacon. And I feel pretty good. The only thing that I'm wondering about as I move forward with this lifestyle is I don't have a gallbladder. For now, I feel okay. Like I feel something's going on in the area of where my gallbladder used to be. But for now, there's no pain or anything. In my early 40s, I had a gallbladder attack. It felt like it was worse pain than labor pains. Like it was insane. So I had to call the ambulance. I had 2 little kids at the time. And the ambulance guy said I fit the profile for a gallbladder attack. I was fair. I was in my 40s. Fair 40s, fat, and there was something else that I fit the profile for. Anyways, so I spent a couple of weeks in the hospital, which was inconvenient with the little kids. But at the time, I was following the Canada Food Guide. I live in Canada. And of course, I'm gonna get gallstones and a gallbladder attack. I was eating things like margarine and seed oils and boxed mac and cheese slices and chicken nuggets, all of the processed things, and I was feeding this to my kids too. So I kept doing that after my surgery until I started understanding nutrition a little better. I took a nutrition course, but that was focused on the vegan and gluten-free lifestyle, which is fine. It got me off seed oils, got me eating a little healthier. I kept following that lifestyle until now, when I made the decision to try carnivore to see how I felt on it. So in this past, decade, I've always had this layer of fat on me, my pot belly. I couldn't get rid of it, even though I'm certified in first level yoga, even though I rode my bike to and from work all the time. So I felt like I was active and healthy and I was eating healthy, but there's something missing. So I'm trying to explore that right now. So other than that, I feel okay. I'm just going to continue resting for today and then hit the ground running tomorrow.